Hey guys, welcome. In this video we are going to talk about partial classes. Partial classes are important because, especially when you do graphical programming in Windows, as I'll show you later again, there's a code designer class and your class, and stuff is split over, a single class is split over multiple files. So it's important for you to see this in a simpler context first, so when you see it in a more complex context, you'll know what it is. Okay, so crank up Visual Studio, make a template and project. Now we are going to right click and add a new item here. And you can say class and give it the name here employee, like this, and click add. Alright, so we're adding a new file called employee.cs. It's also, as you can see, a new class like that, okay? And here you're going to put partial class employee. So the definition of this class will be split over a couple different files. And also we're going to choose add, and now you can do it from here. You see class, and now class, and let's say here employee methods.cs and click add. Alright, now let's rename this. We're going to say here partial class. Again, this would be called employee also. So we have just done a split the employee class over two separate files. Alright, so in employee.cs we're going to add the constructor code. So you're going to add one field, private string s, call it name, like this. Then we're going to say public employee and then string s, and then you're going to say this dot name equals s, like this. Okay, so the constructor is here with one field. Employee methods will contain a method that will get this for us. So you're going to say here public string and then get name, and it's going to say return this dot name. See, and you see that name is accessible within this file because we have a partial class split over two files. You see? Okay, so one class split over two files. This is a partial keyword to indicate that it's the same class. So we have this, and we have that. Now, if you go into program.cs, you're going to type employee, and that comes up. Okay, new emp equals new employee, and then give this person some name like John. And now you're going to say console right line like this, and the person's name is, and you put a placeholder in here, put a period, and then a comma, and then new emp dot. Okay, there you go. And get name shows up, you see, so you can grab it and close out with a semicolon. And at the end, let's do console.read key at. Okay, so right click, organize the usings, remove the unused ones, go into employee.cs, right click, organize usings, and notice all of them are removed. Right, there you go. Employee methods, right click, organize using, remove unused ones. Again, all of them are removed. So these become really simple now. You see this? Okay, so we get the get name method present in this employee methods.cs. We have the constructor in one private field in employee.cs, and program.cs creates the employee object and calls the get name method on the object. Okay, let's build all of this. Let's make sure it takes. Alright, let's go with start here. And the person's name is John. That's it. Hit enter. Unload. And now look very carefully. Okay, when you do this with the debugger, step into. Alright. So you're going to make a new person, and notice it goes into the employee.cs, into the constructor, right? And then you're going to call get names. Now it goes into employee methods, returns the name, and then read key. Okay, so the debugger will also go over the multiple files for you, as you have just seen. Alright, and that is it. So thanks very much, and I'll see you in another video.